Okay, this is going to be a little bit different of a video. I work on repairs, right? But one of the problems you have is if you get a new machine and you've never had one of that style, you don't know what normal operation is. So I've got this Spirit of 76. It's the Gottlieb 4-player Electromechanical, and it's very similar to some other machines. I thought I would power it up and then run through the players just to show what happens. And really the focus here, what will happen is the player unit will reset, and as it's resetting, it'll enable Z1 relay, which will cause score reels 1 and 2 to reset, and then Z2, the player unit will increment. Z2 will kick on. It'll clear the score reels for players 3 and 4, and then the reset will finish. So what I'm going to do is turn this machine on, run through it. You'll hear the score reels resetting, and you'll see the player unit incrementing until we get to player 1. And then I'm going to actually go through all 4 players, 5 balls, and I'll abbreviate it. But basically I want to watch the operation of the player unit, where it stops, where it starts, just to give you an idea what normal operation is. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. The score reels all have some points on them, and I shut the machine off mid-game. I'm going to turn the machine on and hit reset. So first thing I'm going to do is go turn the machine on. And hit reset. Okay, ball kicked out. I'm going to load up players 2, 3, and 4. Okay, machine is set. Score reels are empty. Ball is in the trough. So I'm going to start player 1, initiate some points, and then drain the ball so it moves to player 2. So here's some points for player 1. Okay, player 1 is drained. Now it's on player 2. I'm going to do the same thing, just initiate some points. Bonus. Drain. Now we're on player 3. Drain. Okay, here comes player 4. Okay, player 4 drain. Now we're right back to player 1. Okay, I'm going to skip ahead a little bit here because you can see the player units moved a little bit. On this 4-player game, every time the player shifts, it's moving 1. So that means with 5 balls, it should have moved 20 times. And if you count out these rivets, I think it's going to work okay. Okay, there's ball 5, player 1, all 20 spots. I'm going to hit the last 4 and just see what happens. Okay, there was a ball 4, or ball 5, player 4. Here's game over. This is what game over looks like. So now I'm going to hit reset again and just see what happens on that player unit. Alright, there's ball 1 out. So that should show from a game over to a reset sequence.